You searched how to buy shares of Veeco Instruments Inc. VECO makes semiconductor process equipment, trades on NASDAQ under the ticker VECO, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy VECO, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker VECO to find the company listing. Select the entry that clearly matches Veeco Instruments Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company description and the price chart for context. Confirm the page references Veeco Instruments Inc. on NASDAQ so you are on the right listing. Click the Invest or Buy button, choose the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio. For more details, the eToro link is in the description, and remember, this is educational information, not investment advice.